Hello, grade 8. So this is question number 1. So let's revise together. The question said, are these two triangles similar? If so, write the similarity statement. And he gave us a choices. Then, if we will try to check a UGA, UGA. So we have to write the proportional sides as we made many times inside the class. So here it will be UG over BE. It will be equal GA over EF. Then we will start to substitute. UG, it will be equal 16 over UG equal 16 over BE, BE equal 15 equal GA 12 over EF equal 20. When we will simplify, so once we have 16 over 15, I can't simplify, and 12 over 20, it will be divided by 3 equal 4, sorry, divided by 4 equal 3, and divided by 4 equal 5, and this is not equal, they are not equal, which means they are not proportional. So the first choice, we will not accept it. Let's move to the next choice. The next choice, he said triangle UGA similar with FEB. Then UG 16 over FE 20. Next, GA 12 EB 15. In simplest form for the first one, divided by 4 equal 4, divided by 4 equal 5, divided by 4 equals 3, divided by 3 equal 4, divided by 3 equal 5. What do you notice here, my dear students? We note that they are proportional. They have the same ratio. Then we have two sides have the same ratio, and we have an angle at the middle. So we can say that those two triangles are similar. Then two triangles are similar. Which answer it will be correct? So this one, it will be the correct answer. So this is for the first question. So we said once we have two similar triangles, which means we have two sides are proportional and we have included angle. Let's move to another question here. Dilate the figure by a scale factor of 3 with the origin as the center of dilation. What are the coordinates for the image? Once we have a dilation, so we have to search about the scale factor. The scale factor in this case is 3. And let me remind you, once we can donate the scale factor by K. So we said once we have the scale factor more than 1, so the original figure, it will be smaller than the image. Or then we are going to enlarge the figure. But how we are going to find the image? It will be, we will multiply by 3. Then 3 multiplied by 3, it will be equal 9. 3 multiplied by 3, it will be equal 9. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 3, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 3 times 3 equal 9. So we have 9 and 9. The points, it will be 9 and 9. Then we have 6 times 3, it will be equal 18 and 18. The third one, it will be 27 and 9, 3 times 3, it will be equal 9. So once we have this is the images, so we will search about which choice here it will be correct with this answer. So it will be number A. So we will choose for question number 2. We are going to choose choice number A. So this is how we can use a scale factor to dilate a figure. And we have to check if K more than, so the images or the points for the images, it will be greater than the point for the original figure. Next question, in the triangle ABC, angle A equal 90, angle B equal 25. In triangle DEF, angle E equal 25 and angle F equal 65. Are the triangles similar? So we want to check first. We will draw a triangle. He said that it's right angle at A, so we have to put A equal 90 degree and angle B equal 25. In the second triangle, he didn't mention that we have a right angle, but he said that we have an angle E 25 degree and angle F 65 degree. Before you will start to answer this question or to take your decision, you have to calculate the missing angle in two triangles, because here we don't have enough information to say that they are similar. So in the first triangle, we will find measure of angle D. And how we will find measure of angle D? By using 180 minus and then 65 plus 25. We will find that the measure of angle equal how many? The measure of angle equal 90. So once we will find this step, we will discover that we have two corresponding angles are equal in measure. How? This is 90 degree. So if you will start to compare between the angles in both two triangles, you will find that you have measure of angle A equal measure of angle D, and measure of angle B equal measure of angle A. And this is enough data to prove that those two triangles are similar by using the case AA. So the answer for this question, we will go and we will say yes, they are similar. Next question, if two figures are similar, their angles are. Their angles are proportional. It's impossible because proportional describe the relation between sides. Their corresponding angles are congruent. Yes. So it will be the right answer. The two choices, supplementary or complementary, there is no relation between similar and supplementary or complementary. We can't describe that the figures are similar because they are supplementary or because they are complementary. We said that the two figures are similar, then their angles are congruent. So this is the answer for question number 4. Let's move to the next question. Next question, question number 5, find the measure of the indicated angle. So we want to find the measure of the following angle, which it will be, it's a triangle, and we know that the sum of measure angle inside any triangle should be equal 180 degree. For this reason, we are going to make 180 minus 25 plus 110. So the answer, it will be equal 45 degrees. So the right answer for this question, it will be 45 degrees. Next question, talking about translation. What does a translation do to do an image? So let me revise with you the types of transformations. This year, we studied 4 types of transformation, which it was translation, reflection, rotation, and dilation. And let me also remind you, for each transformations, what is the meaning for this transformations, and we have a word can describe, like this question, what does a translation do to an image? So if we have translation, so the word, it will be slides, reflection, it will be mirror or flip, rotation, turn with different angles for sure, dilation, it depends on the scale factor, but dilation, it will be enlarge the figure or shrink the figure. Then, if we will back to the question which we have it here, what does a translation? So, in your opinion now, which word we are going to choose? So, we are going to choose the word slide it. So, this is for this question. What does a translation do to an image? It will slide the figure. The next question, the space is the ratio of the length of the new figure to the corresponding length on the original figure. Then the scale factor, because this one represents the ratio between two numbers, scale factor. So the answer for this question, it will be the scale factor is the ratio of the length of the new figure to the corresponding length on the original figure. So this is what question number 7. Next question. In this question, which algebraic rule show how triangle ABC being translated to the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime? So in this question, we have to check where we can find A. So this is the place for A, and this is for A prime. After that, we will note that the point A move to the right or move to the left. Then it moves to the right. A, it was in this place, and then it becomes down. So we move to the right. Like this. And then down. Then to say that the point moved to the right, so it should be add something to the x-axis. So we will count together now how many units to move to the right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, so that means that we have x and we added 4 to x. Now we will check with y. How many units? And for sure, we move down, so this is negative. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be y minus 9 because we move down. Now we will check which choice it will be the same with this relation which we found it here. Yes, the last choice, it will be the right answer. X plus 4 and y minus 9. So this one, it will be the right answer for question number 8. Let's move to the next question. Let's move to question number 9. Name the corresponding angle to angle 4. So the corresponding angle for angle 4, it will be, this is 4. Which one it will be the corresponding angle? Angle 6? No, this is alternate interior. Angle 2, it's vertical angle. Angle 5, it's same side, interior angle. So angle 8, yes, so it will be angle 8. It will be the corresponding angle with angle 4. Let's move to the next question. Here, in this question, what is the similarity statement to for the triangle pair? In this question, we have to check the corresponding angles. We have to check the corresponding angles. So we can see that angle W with angle Z, angle then angle X, it will be congruent with angle E, angle W congruent with angle Z, and the third angle for sure, it will be equal to the corresponding angle, which is angle Y with angle N. Now we will check the answers. X with n. So let's back. X with n. Is this the correct answer? No. X with n. So the second also it will be wrong. Z with E. Z with E. No. Y with N. Y with N. Yes. Z with W. Z with W. Yes. uh, X with E. So we have to compare X with E. Yes, so this one, it will be the right answer. Then to write the similarity statement, you have to write the two triangles in order in each two corresponding angle, they should be equal in measure. Then E with X, so we can write it by different ways, but always you have to care to write each two corresponding angles. Then if I will ask someone to think about another way to read the similarity statement, so we can say W, once you will start from the letter W in this triangle, so you have to start with Z in the other triangle. WNE. So it will be ZYX. Purple, green, blue. So it should be purple, green, blue. Green, purple, blue. Green, purple, blue, and so on. So even if you will put colors, if you will put a sign, so you have to care about the arrangement to write the similarity statement. In this question, find the measure of angle 1. So where we can find measure of angle 1? It will be 180 minus x minus 4, 160 minus 8x minus 4, or 8x minus 4. If you look at the angle which he gave it to us and the angle which he's looking for angle 1. So what is the relation between angle 1 and the angle which he gave it to us? Those two are alternate exterior angles. So once this angle equal 8x minus 4, so this angle also it will be 8x minus 4. Okay, so 8x minus 4, so this one it will be 8x minus 4 because those two are alternate exterior angles. So measure of angle 1, it will be 8x minus 4. In this question, what is the height of the tree? So we can note here that we have the, if I will donate a letter on the tree, we will imagine that we have a triangle, a large triangle, the tree with the ground made right angle triangle, and this one it made right angle triangle, and we have a common or a reflexive angle. Then those two figures are similar triangles. Then we can use the similarity statement that AB over DE equal BC over EC, then AC over DC. Now we will substitute. Instead of AB, we are going to put X, DE equal 2, BC 30, EC 3, then it will be 2 times 30 divided by 3. So the answer, it will be equal 20. So the right answer for this question, it will be equal 20. Then once we have two figures and we can say that those two triangles are similar, so we can use the proportional relationship to find the missing angle. Next question, we have this question. In this question, we want to find which rule would be result when translated 2 units left and 3 units up. Then 2 units left, which means you are going to subtract 2 from the x-axis, and 3 units up, which means you will add 3 to the y-axis. So this one, it will be the right answer for this question. So here we have two figures in these two figures, we want to translate the figure 2 units left and 3 units up. Then it will be x minus 2 and y plus 3. The last question in this quiz, we're talking about determine how translate the triangle ABC to the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So this is the first triangle and this is the image. So we want to compare first where is the original point and where is the image. So the triangle move up, right? And we have to calculate now. A move to the right or to the left. For sure, it moved to the right, to the left side. To the left side, which means we will decrease x. How many units do we decrease? 1, 2. And then we will move up 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we will search about to the left 2 units and then up 9. So the right answer for this question, it will be number C. Left 2 units and up 9 units. Here in this one, in the last question, we want to know tell whether the translation is a dilation and say why. If we want to know that those two triangles are dilations or not, so we will imagine that if you will connect between any 2 points, and يعني, for example, L and L prime, N and M prime, and M, all the points it will intersect at 0. So we have a dilation. And we want to find the scale factor. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 0, 1, 2. So we have 4 divided by 2, it will be equal to. So this question, it will be a dilation by, yes, scale factor is the same. Here in this one, in the last question, so we have a figure x and y, it becomes negative x and negative y, will result a counterclockwise rotation with which transformations, with rotations, it will change the sign for both without change. Then the answer, it will be 180, because 180, we will change, x becomes negative x and y becomes negative y. So that was the model answer for our quiz about module 11. With all my best wishes to all of you, my lovely students.